everyone! Wow! It's been a long time that we are not, we're not looking each other, guys. My goodness, how many weeks? Oh, I think it was 2 weeks. Yes. Sorry, guys, because, I told you before that if I'm not doing any reaction of video, yeah, I'm so busy with my work and I have a family also to serve first before this reaction. But, I'm still here, guys. And I will continue my fashion to react music from different state, from different countries. Alright, so I'm so happy again to see you again, guys, to my channel. So for those new to my channel again, please, guys, I'm begging you, if you are new to my channel, subscribe first to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. Here we go, guys. Our next reaction of video is THAMOI MACHUM TAHALLE. Yes, that was the title. THAMOI MACHUM TAHALLE official music video release 2017. It was 4 years ago, but guys, this is still viral in YouTube. So I would like to react this, guys, and I'm so happy and excited to react this, especially in this music. The artist here is my one of my favorite artists in Manipur. Yeah. She's Bala Hijab, and who is the partner of Bala here? Jet. Yeah, the name of this guy or the partner of Bala here are Jet. Okay, and it was sung by Linda Tangcham, and this music, it was uploaded by no other than Tantha. Thank you so much, Tantha, for allowing me to react this music. So without further ado, guys, let's get now and watch this video. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Did you hear that sounds? Woo! THAMOI MACHUM TAHALLE. No, what's that? Is that a blood? Wow, look at Bala here. She's so young here, guys. Yes, because this music is 4 years ago. But wow. Oh my goodness. She's so gorgeous here. Wow, Bala, my idol. Woo! This is Jet. Wow. Woo! Oh, look at the backup dancer here. Wow. Oh no! How that's so flexible body of Bala. Yes! Wow. Perfect acting. Oh, how this backup dancer so very energetic. I like their costume here, guys. Very simple costume. Look at that. Woo, but you know, wow, I like Bala here. Bala Heja. Oh, another costume here, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at Bala, guys. Oh, another costume again, guys. Wow. I like how they changed their costume here. Very fantastic. Wow. Wow. Let's get it on, guys. Woo. Wow. Oh, waterfalls. Yeah. Look at Bala here. Oh. This is my first time, guys, to see this guy, Jet. Oh, that's all, guys. Yeah. Okay. Wow, that was the THAMOI MACHUM TAHALLE official musical video. Oh my goodness, I like it so much, especially my one of my favorite actress from Manipur, Bala Hejam. I'm so shocked with her beauty here. It's so fabulous, guys. Wow. I can't believe that, one of my favorite actors here are, even she's married right now, but, I can't believe that her talent before, same with the talent now, at the present, guys. Wow. Bala Hejam, I like you so much. I like the way you act. I like the way you was this sing, dance. Oh my goodness. The one that I want to say is, wow, perfect music for you. This what's the title? Tale. Yeah. THAMOI MACHUM TAHALLE. Wow. Congratulations for your team, to the backup dancer, to your producer, choreographer. Oh my goodness, and especially to your director of this music. I just want to congratulate you, all of your team, for doing this perfect music for us. Alright, so wow, another reaction of video edit for today, and I hope you will enjoy and happy to watch it, guys. And please don't forget to like and share this to your whole families and friends. All right, and yes, this is the way that we are going to, appreciate their music, and this is the way that we support their music. So please don't forget to like and share this to your whole families and friends. So wow, before I end this reaction of video, guys, for those new to my channel, again, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction of video. So see you on my next reaction of video. I love you all, guys, and God bless you. Bye.